Alright guys, so we found this light coat. We're going to do this a few times, and as it gets darker, we're going to build it up to, we have that sample?
This one looks like it's, well, you got 2 coats on that one?
2 coats.
Yeah, see that one, you can tell it's a little darker.
So we originally started off with
Flip one over.
Now we have the coat on here.
Started like that.
And then we built it to this color. And after a couple more, it's going to eventually turn to here. It makes everything a lot more even, especially doing maple, less splotchiness. It just makes our job easier as well.
Man, it's pouring.
So we're going to give it a bump sand and shoot it again after. A nice even sand, and that would be ready to be shot again. And we're using the SurfPrep Orbital with a 180 to 220 fine, 5mm.
So why are you using that 5mm instead of just the paper?
It's a little bit stiffer to the surface. It's not going to leave scratch marks like the paper will. Paper's a little rough right now. We're just trying to bump down any of those hairs that raised or any dirt that landed in it. And you see the speed, it goes quick.
You got quite a bit of them. And all these were sprayed when? And what time is it?
A couple hours ago we sprayed those, maybe 3 hours ago.
So 2 hours later, we're already bump sanding it, getting it ready for the second coat. So it dries really quick.
Very, very quick for waterborne.
Rex. All right.